Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into the incredible world of your computer? In just 3 minutes I'll show you the basics of getting to know your computer, so let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the hardware. The hardware is the physical stuff you can touch, like your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. But there's more than meets the eye. Inside the case you've got the motherboard. It's like the computer's backbone, holding everything together. Then, there's the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Think of it as the brain of your computer, processing all the information and instructions. And don't forget the RAM, or Random Access Memory, which is like the short-term memory, helping your computer multitask smoothly. Now, on to storage. Your computer needs a place to store all your files, photos, and games. That's where the hard drive, or SSD, comes in. SSDs are faster and more efficient, making your computer run like a dream. Next, let's move to the software. This is the stuff you can't touch but can see on your screen. The operating system, like Windows, macOS, or Linux, is the big boss that manages all the software and hardware. Then you've got applications, which are the programs you use every day, from web browsers to games and productivity tools. Ever wondered how your computer connects to the internet? That's where the network card comes in. Whether it's wired or wireless, it helps your computer communicate with other devices and access the web. Let's not forget about ports and peripherals. USB ports let you connect all sorts of gadgets like flash drives, cameras, and printers. HDMI or VGA ports connect your computer to a monitor or TV, so you can enjoy high-quality visuals. Okay, quick recap. We covered the hardware, your CPU, RAM, storage, and motherboard. Then we talked about software, your operating system and applications, and we touched on networking and peripherals. Understanding these basics can make using your computer a lot easier and more fun. Whether you're doing homework, playing games, or video chatting with friends, knowing how your computer works can help you troubleshoot problems and make the most out of your machine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.